Hello and welcome to my channel Creative Gaming. My name is Dorothea and right now you are watching Basic. This is episode 4 of Paint.net for Beginners, and in this episode I'm going to talk about plugins and how to use them. You can see right up here we have our awesome program called Paint.net, which we downloaded in the last episode. And if we go and look under where it's placed, then you can find this folder called Effects. And under Effects, I have a lot of stuff. But in the beginning, when you go under Effects, there won't be anything here at all. I also have the Effects folder here and will upload it to Dropbox so you guys can go download it. But before we do that, I want to teach you how to go find your own plugins. So, if you find that you need to make curved text or something like that, you go to Google and you search Paint.net plugin. Then there come up this page called Paint.net forum. There will of course be a link for that in the description box below, because that's useful. And then you can read a lot about stuff in here. And well, there's a thing I really like is the fact that they have this one called Plugin Pack, where it's not single programs you download plugin packs. And all of these on the 2 pages are some that a lot of people really like and is something a lot of people use. I have a lot of those up here because a lot of people said they were really nice to have, so I have them and I use them when needed, because you sometimes need that. But let's go in here as an example. There's this person who have a color target plugin from 2008. And yes, it's old, but I think it could be some of it can still be really nice. I don't even know what this plugin would be able to do for you guys, so I'm not even gonna bother. Or well, we have this texture and color plugin from 2009. Oh, there's a lot of things that I don't know. Alright, this one is quite new, updated in 2015. I already have this one. It's really nice to have, but just so you guys can get to know how to do it, you can donate to them because they do all of this for free, and it's not directly something that Paint.net is a part of. And then you can push the pack. You had a link in there. Well, they basically are a download button, and then you download. Boom, boom, boom. I can't see my download. Alright, it's just it's out here. Then you can see when you open it up, there's like an installer, and then you just push that one. And then you can see for me this says that there are an update for it, so I'm just gonna update it. I couldn't find it. But basically you just do as usually when you install things. If you get to a point of getting one of these and there's no installer, but there are a lot of things that looks like these in there, then you just push your Paint.net icon, you right click, open so you can see the files, go under effects and copy the things into here by copy and paste. So that's quite easy. And then you will be able to go find them by see that there are this little puzzle piece, which is a sign that it is a plugin for the program, and therefore you sometimes has to be a little bit careful because some of them can make the program crash if you move the things too much or stuff like that, or too fast. Often it's too fast, you can't move it. And of course, not all of them will work as well as the usual ones, but they are still really nice to have, like the feather selection in the shadow, object shadow, old feather, outline objects. There's a lot of really nice things you can do and plugins. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it and learned something new, then remember to give this video a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe so you won't miss out on any future videos. Remember to check out all the links in the description, both for Paint.net, my Dropbox, and for the forum, so you can download your own plugins. And then at the same time, please check out my Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, Mixer profiles where I post things and stream, and then also join my Discord server where you can post me a private message or a message on the Discord server to ask me any questions you might have about Paint.net. In the next video, we will get started with how to make really awesome text in the program, so we are ready for when we start to do logo, banner, and overlays. Thanks for watching.